Practical geometry session, exercise 4.1, fourth problem. Draw line segment using ruler and compass. So only 3 steps. Draw a line L. So first you need to draw a line L and mark a point P on it. So I am marking a point P on it. P. Here AB is the line segment, so mark it as A. So first draw a line L and mark a point P on it. And then what is the next step? Measure given value. Measure 7.5 centimeter using compass. So measure 7.5 centimeter. Place the pointer at 0. Place the compass pointer at 0 and pencil pointer at 7.5. Adjust and measure 7.5 perfectly. So 7.5 and place the pointer at A. Place the pointer of the compass at A. Then draw a small arc. On the line L. Like this. Place the pointer on A and draw a small arc on the line L with a pencil pointer. It cuts the line L at a point and name that as B. Mark that point and name it as B because the line segment name is AB. So A and B 7.5 centimeter. Is it clear? First draw a line and measure the given value and use compass. Place the pointer at A and draw a small arc on the line L. It cuts the line at a point. Name that point as B. So next problem, QR equal to 10 centimeters. So what is the value? 10 centimeter. So first step, draw a line using ruler. So I have drawn a line using ruler and then measure 10 centimeter using ruler and compass. So place the pointer at 0 and pencil pointer at 10. So 10 centimeter. Before that, mark a point on the line. So what is the next step? Draw a line and mark a point on the line. So mark it as Q because the question is QR equal to 10 centimeter. And then measure 10 centimeter in compass. Place the pointer at Q. And draw a small arc on the line with a pencil pointer like this. Just one small arc, that's all. So mark this point as B. R. So question is QR equal to 10 centimeter. So first one is Q and this point is R. 10 centimeter. Is it clear? First step, draw a line and mark a point on it. And second step, measure the given value using ruler and compass and then place the pointer at this point and draw a small arc on the line. It will cut at some point in the line. Name that point as R. That's all. Next one is draw the angles given below. First angle is BIG, big 35 degree. Next angle is SMC 145 degree. Angle must be in the middle, so I is 35 degree and M is 145 degree. So exercise 4.2, problem number 8. So you have to draw angle using protractor. Have you seen this protractor? Look at this. This is the baseline. This is the vertex of the angle and here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. This one is the inner scale and this side 0, 10, 20, 30. This one is the outer scale. You can use any scale, either inner scale or outer scale. So let's draw the problem. First step is you have to draw a base ray. So what is ray? One end point. So I am marking this point as I because angle must be in the middle. So I am marking this point as I and here G. So this one is a ray. What is the next step? Using protractor, you have to mark the degree 35. So I am using this point, left hand side point. So you have to use the inner scale. When you are drawing angle in the left hand side point, you have to use the inner scale. When you are using the point on the right hand side, you can use the outer scale. Is it clear? Left hand side means inner scale, right hand side means outer scale. So I marked point on the left hand side. So I am using inner scale. You have to line up the base ray with the vertex line. This one is the base ray IG. You have to line up this base ray with the vertex line 0 degree. Can you see this? Vertex point at I and line up this base ray with the 0 degree line. And then what is the question? 35 degree. Read the measurement 0, 10, 20, 30. This one is 35. The middle value. So mark this 35. Just a point. And take the protractor. Join these 2 points. Name it as B. So this angle is 35 degree. Is it clear? Draw a baseline and line up the protractor with the base ray and mark the given angle. We will do one more problem. What is the first step? Draw a baseline. Very good. So draw a baseline, base ray. So mark M and C. What is the angle given? 145 degree. So take the protractor. Line up the base ray with the vertex line. Base ray is MC. Line up this with the protractor, base vertex. And vertex is at M. So what is the angle? 145 degree. Count 0, 10, 20 inner scale. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140 and 145 is here. So join these 2 points. So this angle is 145 degree. Is it clear? Try the homework problems. If you have any doubt, please contact me.